Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 14T Pro, and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll to find display brightness. Now let's scroll down and enter reading mode, as it is the name of the eye comfort or night mode in this device. So let's tap on it, and here let's keep it turned off. To turn it on, we have to tap on the switcher, and here we've got two different modes. The cycle one, which is more automatic, it is based on the sunsets and sunrises, and here we've got the classic one, which is the mode which you can customize. So let me choose this one. Let's simply tap on this arrow to enter the options. Here we've got the preview, so we can check how the mode will affect the colors and the color temperature. By going to the left, we can make it cooler, so it is almost invisible, and by going to the right, it is much warmer. You can see that yellowish tones which are added to the screen. It is of course in order to filter the blue light. We can also add the texture, or the paper-like texture. By going to the left, you can completely turn it off, and by going to the right, you can apply it and make it much sharper. I'm not really sure if you can see it on the screen. However, trust me, the background looks like a paper, something like that. You can also change the colors. Let's tap on this option, and here we've got three different options. The full colors, of course, which are a little bit affected by the mode, however they are still vibrant. Light colors, which are, as you can see on the preview, are a little bit dull and washed out, and black and white, so you can display everything with in a monochromatic option. So it's totally up to you. I think I prefer the full colors and a much warmer option. So here, after getting back, you can also schedule that feature. Just tap on the switcher, and you can either choose good night's read, and again it will be immediately applied after the sunset, or you can custom the period, so you can freely choose the start and the end time, and of course your device will apply the reading mode accordingly. I think I like to turn it off. I like to use manual option. So that was the customization, and if you want to have much faster access to this option, simply unroll the top bar, and here we have to find a special icon connected with the night light, which is not available right here, but that's okay, no worries. Simply tap on edit. And now we can enter more system toggles which we can use, and as you can see, the reading mode is right here. So let's tap on this plus icon, and as you can see, it will be immediately applied to this section. Remember to tap on the stick icon in the right upper corner to confirm everything, and here we've got our icon. Right now it is turned off. Basically all you have to do is to tap on it, so tap on it to turn it on, and tap on it again to turn it off. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.